Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix fingerprint is not working in Samsung Galaxy A25. If you are using Galaxy A25 and you're facing the issue that your fingerprint sensor is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to make a restart with your device. So the best way is that you have to make a force restart with your device. In order to make a force restart, you have to press and hold volume down and power button at the same time until you got the black screen and you got the Samsung logo here. So I'm gonna pressing this. Just press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time. So it might take 5 to 10 seconds to get the black screen. You just have to wait for this. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Samsung logo. And once you get the Samsung logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a forced restart. So the restart can take more time usual or more than the usual restart or normal restart. You just have to wait for a few seconds here. So here, once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings. Under settings, just scroll down, look for software update here, click on software update, click on check for updates, and just check for the latest update. You have to make sure that you're connected to the internet to get the latest updates here. If you find any pending software update, try to update your software. After updating software, go back. If you are still facing the same issue, go to general management here, go to reset, go to reset all settings, click on reset all settings and then click on reset option. So it will reset all over your phone setting. If there will be any issue with any of your phone settings, if there will be it will be fixed in this step and after that you will not get the issue again. Or you can also try to clean this power button or your fingerprint sensor. It might be here backside or inside of your screen. So you just have to clear or clean that area. After that you may not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.